Hi loves. So in today's video, I did create a maxi denim skirt from my old jeans, and I want to show you the simple step that I use. So this is the jeans that the denim jeans, jean that I'm going to be recreating. So it's an old jeans that I had, and I didn't want to throw it away. If you haven't watched the video, you can check it from my channel. I'll link it below. So this trouser was becoming too tight for me, and I didn't want to throw it because it has high quality. It's a very good quality trouser. It was also flattening my bum, so I needed to just make sure that I repurpose or transform these trousers into a denim skirt and a maxi. So these are the simple steps that you can do. You can be able to do this from home. So one, we're going to use our scissors. We're going to open the inseam, and as you open the inseam, ensure that you keep at least the front part. Like you see that that denim hem, ensure that you keep it, or that seam. Don't remove it. So we're going to open it up all the way, that the inseam, the entire inseam from this leg and the other one, so that we can have an open trouser. Then we're going to open it a little bit to the zipper, where the zipper is or where the zip is. You'll just cut a little. Again, ensure that you keep that seam. And then we're going to do the same thing at the back. So before you do this at the back, I'll advise you, if you're going to remove the waist, you can remove the waistband a little as you open, or because you don't need that belt loop there first. So for me, I did cut with without removing them. But again, at the end of it, I realized I need to remove the loop so that I can have a clean finish. So yeah, we're just opening the back all the way up, and then just ensuring that we keep the seam. But for the back, you don't need the seam. For the back, we're going to cut it out. But for the front, ensure that you keep the seams. Yeah. So yes, that's it. Once you've once you've opened it up like that, again, remove the loop before you do this, because for me, I did remove it while doing it. But for you, kindly remove it before, then cut open up on top, and then you're going to turn inside out so that the right side's kissing. Just make sure that you turn your trousers just like this, so that we can be able to shape our back. So we're going to make sure that we curve our back. You don't have to have a straight line because your butt is not flat. You're going to give a little curve, and that's where you're stitching. So once you do this, just stitch it down, all the way down from the waist, all the way down to the hemline. Yeah. Once you've done, attach back your loop. If you had removed your waistband, place it back. And then for the front, we're going to lay it flat, and then we're going to stitch it down to where you want your what is it called? Your slit to be. And we're done with that. That is it. Thank you so much for watching.